different. We use different symbols. We use different symbols to show the different things. On a map. So when we want to know about the maps, we use different symbols. Which symbols we use? They are point. This is point. We use point, line, and area. When we want to show the physical features in any map, we use point, we use line. When we want to show our area or a border, we use some types of lines. These are all used for physical map. These are points, lines and symbols are used in physical map to show the objects. If our India map we want to show Delhi. This is capital. So we use point to locate Delhi. So we want to show the place Delhi in a map, we use point. If we want to show the river Krishna or Godavari, we use symbol this type of symbol we use to show the rivers on a map. If we want to show the railway station, we use the symbol RS. We want to show the railway track on a map. Railway track on a map. We use the symbol. This is symbol to show the railway track. In this way, we use many types of symbols to show the different physical features or different objects on a map. I will show some pictures or symbols using in a map. Okay, look at this chart. What is this? Symbols using in maps. We want to read in a map or different kinds. We use different symbols. We use this symbol to show a tree on a map. We use this type of symbol. This is pond. When this symbol is used in a map, we know or we identify that is a pond. When we observe this type of RS, this shows the railway station is there on a map or on that place. We use PS. PS means that the police station is located in that area. We use PO, post office. If there is a post office, we use the symbol PO at that place. We use PTO, post and telegraph office. When there is a telegraph office, we use PTO. PTO means post and telegraph office. We want to show a kacha house. In villages there are many kacha house.